So I have a home story about a seller that ran into a trouble that they didn't expect. And what happened was we listed their condo for sale. We sold the home within about 7 days. But then during the home inspection period, the buyer found a defect in the AC. The AC was running a little warmer than it should be, and it was towards the end of its life expectancy. So this gentleman was really happy that he had sold the house because he had to get back to Colombia to be with his mother, who was not doing well. And so he was under some certain level of pressure. So when the buyer asked for the seller to give him a credit of $4,000 for the air conditioning, he was tempted to accept that buyer credit so we can move along with the transaction and close it soon. But I encouraged him not to do that, and that there was a way that we can solve the problem without giving that $4,000 credit. We pushed back and said no credit, but the buyer insisted that they wanted a credit. And so that put us back in a position where he was concerned again as a seller. So what I did was I said, why don't we do this? Let's offer them a home warranty on the house. $450 home warranty will ensure the air conditioning. If it fails, they'll be replaced. So the buyer was excited to hear that that was an option. And the buyer proceeded with the closing, the seller got his money, and was able to get back to Colombia to be with his family. So these little tricks in solving problems make the difference in this case, for this home seller, of about $3,500 that he was able to keep in his pocket versus giving away to a home buyer because he was under pressure. It's experience, creative solutions, and good sound advice that clients can count on from us here at Stratwell.